Hey guys, it's me, Arya, and today we're playing some Shark Bite. We started the game early. I totally forgot to even start the thing. I had worked off camera on Bee Swarm, so check that out. I see tons of people in sleighs. The shark is coming for us. That's something for sure. I'm dead. Wow, I like the infection one, but that was such. Why is this how it's like? Okay, never mind. Okay, I'm just gonna spectate. Kaushik on. I'm gonna wait for Yuan. How about Yuan? Is he Yuan good?
I'm topping the sleigh. I'm topping the sleigh. I'm topping the
Yeah,
sleigh.
this guy did not know how to play. Does he? Yuan does not know how to play. Let me just try. I see the shark, bro. But nah, just go.
Let's go to William House. William House. That's the save. Going.
Bro!
Get out. Get out.
Kaushik, you know what? There's only 4 survivors left. And you're one of...
survivors.
Huh?
I'm in the top 4.
I know, right? Yuan has done nothing, but now he's surviving. Yuan's like, oh, you died?
Yes, I died.
I'm running into the shark right now, so I'm just dead.
Go to that house.
You're dead, Yuan. Yuan's dead.
Well done.
Yeah, Yuan's dead.
Nothing but
I accidentally ran him inside the, right in front of the shark. Bro, that shark is good.
Yuan did nothing, but he still got top 3.
Yeah, he like did nothing.
Infection.
Oh.
Infection.
He left the game, I think. Yeah.
No, he ate everyone. He didn't leave. He ate everyone. And he's a premium member, bro.
What?
He's a premium member.
Come on, everyone. Somebody jump down. Nah, come.
Boop, 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 boop. Please say I'm the...
Okay.
No, I wish it... Oh, Dragon Mastery. I'm gonna invite... I thought I had the best boat. It's like the... Whoa!
Sleigh.
There's this guy named Vade Grace, and then almost everyone's joining that.
Doing this play, are you gonna come with me?
You didn't invite me.
I'm cooking.
I invited you.
I invite you.
Yeah, now you did.
I invite Arya.
I just fell out of the boat.
I would recommend.
Oh my god, the boat abandoned me! The dumb boat abandoned me! Oh my god, now I'm dead. I'm dead for sure.
I would get on my boat. Tell me where you are. Go near mainland, near the lighthouse.
I'm dead.
I'm going to the lake house.
You already died.
No, I'm dead for sure. Vadercrest died? Bro, I am so dead.
It said in the chat, Aravir died.
No, I didn't.
But then why did it say in the chat?
Is it Vadercrest died or something like that?
Shark's on me.
Oh man, shark is coming for me.
I should be able to drive this, make this thing fly. It's a Christmas sleigh.
No, it's not.
I'm driving a Christmas sleigh. No, you aren't.
Yeah, I'm totally dead for sure.
I'm totally dead.
All you have to do is survive. What? What the? Oh my god! I survived.
He probably left the game.
Wait, his name was Dragon or something.
I arrived too.
He left. He left. He actually left. Oh my god! He just left. That was just the craziest thing ever. Something's wrong with the recording.
I'm going up.
I think my other videos have been uploaded, so I might do a stream, maybe. Maybe. You never know. Stream, maybe.
Please got me.
If it's
Please
you
got
on,
me.
then I'm just. Oh no! Kaushik, you're the next shark.
No, invite me. Num num num. I'm gonna order num num. Doing. You got Christmas? Oh, I don't. Invite num num num.
Oh, so 3 people are on my boat. You're Kaushik, don't kill me.
Don't kill me too.
And if I can even find you.
You fell down. I'm right here.
Oh man.
And we're driving. Let's go. Dun, dun, dun. You're creepy.
I think you're a little sucky at this. No offense, but you are a little sucky.
Oh my. Oh my God. I can see. You can see me. You see me?
Hello. So did a rocket launcher, bro.
Let's go. Let's go.
I wanna see.
Lighthouse.
Oh, I see you.
A guy's going to the lighthouse.
I didn't reload though.
He's going to the lighthouse. He's going to the. He's going to any place he's going. Oh, I see a shark. He saw a shark. He's jumping. He's going. Shark.
Kaushik's trying to eat us. Wow.
Okay, so he's going.
This is a present laying on the floor, lol. Ha, lol. I have. Whoa, bro, chill.
Bro, chill. Bro, chill.
Are you trying to come for our boat? Kaushik?
I killed someone. How do people even shoot me from underwater?
It's only me and this guy. Me and this guy?
This-
I can see it jumping. Are you very jumping?
Oh, yo.
I'm in the sleigh. Like, what are you doing? Come on, get in the sleigh. Get in the sleigh. Yeah, now I'm gonna get in the sleigh.
Is this guy AFK or what? Oh,
And
never mind.
and you're the gun guy, me and this guy.
Bro, I just saw you.
I'm the
For some reason, my thing is not
I'm
gonna.
the serious.
Bro!
Shark.
Oh, you freaking
The shark!
kidding me.
The shark! I found country shark. I found a yellow car. A yellow.
I see you, bro.
I joined our review. I joined.
Oh, no,
Oh
you
my God.
don't.
Let me throw a rocket launcher.
Oh, I shot you only once.
Me and you died. I died.
Why do you have to eat me? It's like so.
Oh, it was you! Oh my god!
That was me,
You
This is my first time at shark.
too. Eat mama.
bro. I have been shark a million times, and I would be crushing you to death. There's this red thing. It'll
Cutting?
signal as some red thing will mean someone's walking in the water, and
I read the instructions. I'm not dumb.
yeah, you're
Blue
dumb.
particles show boats, red particles show people.
Oh, how did Yuan get here? Hi, Yuan.
Hi.
You're like, I'm gonna leave the game and rejoin. How about that?
Me too.
I'm just kidding. No, I'm just kidding. I'll do that in the next episode. Wait, what should be the next episode?
I fell all the way down.
I'm just gonna see. Where's it? I had the deluxe yacht, then Flying Dutchman. Whoa, a stealth boat? Bro.
A sailboat?
Whoa. Military boat? Crazy.
Oh, my leg is
Explorer, the
working. My leg is
Titanic.
working, my leg
Bunny boat is stupid.
There's only
Steam train boat. Canopy boat.
3 people left.
Hmm?
There are only 3 people left.
Cool. You suck. Oh! Whoa, the Mosasaurus is like the best.
The rainbow. The rainbow?
Mosasaurus is like, it has the max size, the most health, and the most speed.
Master shark, please. Guys.
Whoa. I just,
11, 10, 9, 8.
I want to see a
7,
harpoon.
6,
How about my rocket?
5, 4.
I'm gonna get a harpoon.
3, 2, 1.
And now I've now got a
Who's gonna
harpoon.
Who's gonna shark? Who's gonna shark? Who's gonna
Yeah,
shark?
you won, right? No, the survivors won. You lost. Bro, you died. I mean, you didn't die. Veda Grace has survived.
This is, dude, this is my first, it was my first time as Shark, and I got, this is like my second time playing this game in the whole entire world.
What are you doing?
In your whole entire life, you mean?
Arivir, what are you doing?
My whole entire life.
Arivir, what are you doing, bro?
I actually I tried to convince my mom to have a sleepover, and she's like, "Nope, you're not having a sleepover." Chess case?
Yes.
No, I like the infection one. Please say I'm the shark. I want to be the shark. Please be the shark. Please. Oh, I'm not the shark. It's the same guy who had won last time.
I'm inviting you to my boat.
I'm gonna invite Arivir.
I
Arivir.
invited you.
I invite Arivir.
You're joining mine, bro. You know.
I'm doing Arivir.
I'm not also joining the people.
I'm joining.
Bro, so many people are joining my thing. It's like,
I'm joining you too.
wow.
I'm joining you too. I joined. And you. I clicked you and I joined.
Well, it's like haywire. Everyone's haywire. You can get my seat. I'll stay in the bag.
Wait for me.
Oh my God, these guys are so dumb, bro. Someone has a ghost shark in the. Bro, can you tell the guys to just reroute and wait for me?
Wait for me.
I got jumped out the boat.
I died.
You died by the shark? Oh my God.
Get in the place. Get in that place. Get in that place. What are you doing?
Is there any chat or what?
It was only me. I died. I only died.
There's this guy who's not. Oh, did you abandon?
I got pushed off. Let's desert on this island.
You can't. There's an invisible wall.
I'm perfectly fine. I deserted on this island. I deserted on the edge.
You're really gonna die. A shark. You're gonna die a shark. I just in the.
I want revenge.
Revenge the place that area.
Vengeance is mine.
Revenge.
This game isn't as fun as I thought it would be, but
Same. Wait, my mom's calling me.
I definitely think we should play something else.
Okay. So, bye, guys.
Dude,
Okay, so
we're
bye. I
alive.
actually
We're
heard
still
it.
alive.
Oh, bye, guys. I have to leave, so, well, bye.